Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb make up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb make up is to form something. The news channel ran a survey on who enjoys Valentine's Day more, women or men. It seems men make up 58% of the survey compared to 42% women, showing that love is not lost on men. The marketing team discussed their best campaigns. Over the past 6 months, our social media ad campaigns made up the majority of our bookings. I think we should focus on what works best. The world is such an interesting place. It is made up of countless different forms of life with their own unique differences. A beautiful place, really. Meaning two of make up is to invent a story or explanation, especially in order to entertain or trick someone. The manager discusses an employee with another manager. When Sam called in sick last week, he said his daughter was sick. It turned out he was making the story up in the end. The presentation was really inspirational. The speaker lets the audience know. All the stories I have told you so far have been made up, but they still inspired you to create. So you see, imagination is the key to everything. The famous poet talks about his experience from the beginning. It all started with a little poem made up on the bus. The rest is history. Meaning three of make up is to prepare or arrange something. The woman looks after her husband while he is ill. I'll head down to the chemist and ask them to make up a prescription for you. The business owner gives their assistant a task. Make up a list of next week's clients and contact each of them and push the meetings back. The friend is staying the night at the house. Thanks for making the bed up for me. I appreciate this. After the guest left the room, the maid came in. I have to make up the room before the next guest arrives. Meaning four of make up is to make an amount or number complete. The finance department are going through their budget. We can afford to launch our new campaign, especially with the money we'll receive from the sponsor. They are covering 40%, and we'll just have to make up the rest. The friends want to have a friendly game of soccer. This isn't bad at all. We just need one more to make up even numbers. Meaning five of make up is to become friendly with someone after an argument. The tensions spilled over in work and management had to step in. This needs to stop as it's affecting team performance. Now, please make up and sort your differences out. The women gossip about people they know. Did you hear? John still hasn't made up with Sarah. I don't think they'll ever get back together. Meaning six of make up is to replace something that has been lost, to compensate for something. A staff member has a request for management. Is there any chance I could get off early today and make up the time on Friday? A third Monday in a row, he showed up to work late. His boss says, "This is the last time before we take disciplinary action. Make sure you make up the lost time at the end of the day." Meaning 7 of make up is to put makeup on someone's face. The entertainer is a hit at the party. I made myself up to look like a clown. The woman gets ready for her date. I want to make myself up really nice for tonight. So let's look back on what we covered. Make up can mean to form something. My garden is made up of lots of vegetables. To invent a story or explanation, especially in order to entertain or trick someone. He made up the lie on the spot. To prepare or arrange something. I made up some cheese boards to greet them when they arrive. To make an amount or number complete. I'll sell my car to make up enough money to go on holidays. To become friendly with someone after an argument. I made up with my brother after many years. To replace something that has been lost. To compensate for something. I'm sorry I let you down. I'll make it up to you, I promise. To put makeup on someone's face. I love making myself up to go out to nightclubs. Where did you hear the phrasal verb make up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.